Oi!
Bossy, I'm reaching out.
Youth, don't do that, you know.
Vicious. Heads in that bush. Heads in that bush, brother. Vicious, you tell us enough for coming, brother.
Brother, what? Me get shot? Agrees, my dog, man. You good, man. Yo, go behind that tree there.
Move through.
Butcher, look like my vision, right?
Yo, I want to up to.
Same thing no have here in a mix percent.
Alright. Come ask me. Or would I rather do it the hard way?
Can't believe I miss percent on this spot.
Me a wait, you know.
Yo, charge it. Make we leg of this spot, man.
Because I know Vicious a bleed out. Make a decision now.
We don't see how far from civilization we there.
That's why your babes are uncivilized. Me a wait.
Charge it. No forward. Yo, you know, say my father over here to come give me some food. Now watch this. Yo, no forward.
It is real.
You come over here to do a good deed today. And it could have cost you your life. You need to talk to your friend them.
Then govern, man. I'm gonna talk to them, you see me?
I'm not say that shoulder though.
Government. Just agree, you see it.
Yeah, but you still need to see a doctor.
Hey everyone, it's your girl Christina aka Tonya and she's back again with another video. So here my plan for prank Vicious. And I'm gonna get the director involved. So I'm gonna tell him say today I'm last day in our show. It is a which of a killing. So the prank is Vicious of a dead. That's the prank. So I'm gonna get the professor now and make him know what I'm going. So stay tuned. Alright. But don't tell the people what I'm going. So I'm gonna make you know. Today, I'm gonna prank Vicious and do something like last day in our show.
And the director you want to do that?
So like we don't normally do, we don't have a script. And you tell them what you want them to do. You're gonna tell them say, you're gonna tell Vicious say, it is artists and which I go kill because I already won them over Spain town.
So you know, so we have to get that done before it is a
Yeah,
butcher
well,
reach.
yeah, we have to do it before it is a butcher reach.
So we are with us.
Alright. Well, here one. Me and the deer council. I'm from Shopper.
You know why? No, why? I'm here to go to the bar. Why did I fall in the bar?
They know how difficult it is to look in a man's face and say, when we look at the man's face and listen like what I said, and joke at me.
Yo, tell them what you feel.
Him say nearly cry. Guys, him say nearly cry.
Can't believe. At the certain range.
That is back director. Happy.
Hey, it's one of the things you agree, you know.
You
But
are.
I tell you straight, man. I told you last day, man. You say, yeah. As always, the easy moves and
Second prank, though. First prank, we don't know yet.
Don't know what prank come from. The prank queen. You're out.
A few moments later.